day everyone, today we will talk about problem solving and reasoning. But before that, let us view our objective for this topic. First objective is to discuss what is Polya steps in solving problem. To solve problems involving patterns using Polya's 4 steps and solving recreational problems using mathematics. So this will be the flow of our topic.
Good day everyone, I'm Rolly Lavlindahan. So I am here to introduce who is Dr. George Polya. He was born in December 13, 1887. He studied at the University of Budapest with the intention of studying law, but after a semester, he left out due to boredom. He studied language and literature before moving onto philosophy, where a professor advised him to study physics and mathematics to better understand the discipline. After he decided to study mathematics, Dr. George Polya, retired as a Stanford professor, was known to public for his book How to Solve It, which sold 1 million copies. He is credited with establishing the present emphasis on problem solving and math instruction. George Polya designed a 4-step method to solve all kinds of problems. Understand the problem. Second, devise a plan. Third, carry out the plan. And fourth, look back. George Polya's problem-solving process provides students with opportunities to develop their abilities to adapt and change methods to fit new situations. That's all.
Good day everyone, I am Mylene Bendigo and today I will going to discuss the first step of Polya solving strategy. So, understand the problem. Let's have the sample problem using the Polya solving strategy. We have this given. An airline flies from Manila to Davao with stopover in Cebu. So that means the flight from Manila to Davao, dadaan muna sa Cebu. It charges a fare of 1,800 pesos Manila to Cebu. So yung pamasahe from Manila to Cebu is 1,800 pesos and a fare of 3,500 pesos from Manila to Davao. So in one flight, the total of 180 passengers boarded the plane in Manila and the collected fare totaled 494,000 pesos. Ang sabi dito, yung isang flight na yon from Manila to Davao, ang total na passenger na sumakay sa Manila ay 180. Then the collected fare from all those passenger na 180 ay 494,000 pesos. So how many passenger got off the plane in Cebu? So yung total na yon, kasama na doon yung mga pasaherong bumaba sa Cebu. Ibig sabihin, may bumaba sa Cebu. So, alam na natin kung ilan ang total ng passenger sa Manila. Ang hindi natin alam ay yung total na bumaba sa Cebu at Davao. So, ibig sabihin, unknown din ang total ng pasahero na bumaba sa Davao. So, the next step will be continued by the next reporter.
Good day everyone, I am Maricar Diasis and now I'm going to discuss the devise a plan. So, to divide a plan, Polyus mentioned that there are many reasonable ways to solve problem. So the skills choosing an appropriate strategy is best learned by solving various problems. So applying strategies to devise a plan requires skills and own judgment. Some strategies are as follows. So possible strategies are mentioned in order to solve the problem. So first, make a list of unknown. Make a list of the known information. Make a list of information that is needed in a solution. Next, draw a diagram. Make an organized list that shows all the possibilities. Make a table or chart. Work backwards or just working backward. Try to solve similar but simplifier problem so that you have a pattern to solve the given problem. Next, write an equation. As possible, define what each variable represents. Next, perform an experiment. Guess at a solution and then check the result. So, predicted to make trial and error. Guess and check. So, the continuation for the reporter will be Catholic.
My name is Annabella P. Catudan, and my topic is the third step of Polya's problem solving is to carry out a plan. Now we make equation based to the problem. We have 180 passenger, we have x and y which is unknown. The total of all passenger is 180 and that is our first equation. X plus y is equal to 180. Next, we apply the formula of 1,800 times x and the 3,500 times y. The total fare of all passenger is 494,000. So we can have another equation. We need to get the value of y. Now, we can get the value of y in our first equation. If we transport the x in the side, it will result y equals 180, so that is our equation. We're going to substitute the value of y in equation 2. 1,800x plus 3,500 pesos. The value of y 180 equals 494,000, 1,800x plus 630,000 minus 3,500. Next is 3,500x. It will come negative 1,800x and then equals 2. If we're going to minus the 3,500 and 1,800 is equal to 1,700x. The answer is 136,000. Therefore, these are 80 passengers who got off the plane in Cebu. So we can use the first equation. Y is equals to 180. So we can get the value of y. Y equals to 180 minus 80 is equal to 100 passenger. Continuation for the next reporter will be Miss Sarah Basan.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sarah Maybe Basan and now we'll be talking about the Polya's problem or the fourth step of Polya's problem. The first one is understanding, the second one, devise a plan, the third one is carry out the plan, the fourth one and the last, the look back. And now I will show you the example of the look back or a checked. Substitute the value of x equals 50, x plus x minus 20 plus 2x equals 180, x 50 plus 50 minus 20 plus 2 times 50 equals 180. 180 equals 180 is correct. So therefore, the angle 1 equals 50 degree, angle 2 equals 30 degree, and then angle number 3 is equals 180 degrees. So the final answer is 180 degrees. So this is how are we going to use the Polya's problem.
Good day to each and everyone. By the way, I am Jenemy Bustamante. I will discuss the recreational mathematics. So first, we will define what is recreational mathematics. So when we say recreational mathematics, it consists of games, tricks, puzzles, or amusement or fun. So recreational math goes beyond those games and into puzzles and brain teasers that require math to solve but are not typical learn the formula and apply approach. So instead, using math to solve problem is a part of the game itself. So when we say recreational mathematics is not actually it involves numbers to solve or it involves equation results, sometimes it actually involves some sort of analysis and also patience so that we or you can actually solve the given puzzle or logical statement that is actually part of recreational mathematics. So let's take an example of recreational math games. So there are 3 rabbits and it equals to 12 kilogram and we will divide this to 12 kilogram into 3. So 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. So every rabbit has 4 kilogram. That is why we get the answer of 12 kilogram. So there are more examples of math recreational games like Sudoku, Tower of Hanoi, and Rubik's Cube. Thank you and God bless.